The Khasi Students' Union KSU on Saturday observed the Khasi National Awakening Day with a large procession in Shillong, drawing participation from its leadership, members and the general public. The program commenced from the Bharat Scouts and Guides premises at Laban, with the rally proceeding to the Shillong Vidyalaya Secondary School at Lumshatsni, Laban. KSU President Lombok Star Marngar, former President Samuel Jirwa, executive members of the union, members of the KSU and a large number of supporters were present on the occasion. The union reiterated its commitment to continue advocating for issues concerning the well-being and welfare of the indigenous people of Meghalaya. The procession led to temporary closure of roads and commercial establishments across the Laban area, with both street vendors and shops remaining shut during the event. Adequate security arrangements were put in place, with police and district authorities deployed along the route to ensure the procession passed off peacefully and without incident. KSU President Lombok Star Marngar, former President Samuel Jirwa, executive members of the union, other members, representatives of other pressure groups in the state and a large number of supporters were present on the occasion.
Ikran ki cuba piar na kawai ka samoy trikam sa kawai pat ka samoy trikam kin samawat kini suhe stangkania kehe tangkatangam ande ngapwa bandong haman kawai poi ka cingiki magaseng kasem kaalang kim judo kin khot jong ki su kajing kali galong ngim semla pelong tamasa itakimat tijura jong gari ba kejat budu kubai lala kita ki podok parasnam ki bem sgi ban kenthok ban wo na ki ai ka por jongki tan susten ka jingem jongki ban sakri kri ke jadul de samanong ngena mi mender su apo jong gari kasi ke jongi kane ke jok kane koya ka ngem kane ke jok ni hampar khat thamai ko bi kon samla nang ne sakman ki jingma ki ap ka jing jalai tuk ta ki mender ki power apo jong gabri ni trap jongi kalong pama hadu kata-kata anda ke jing sakai ke pasar kaitam hadu ke sing yolong ke jing ya pat ya perang manu pun pat bat manu pun perang kasubonong dan manu rubunu salanda kaitam gawai ngakwa ban wer dipigi kon samla kilong kemi kilong kepa hakaleng jelo buli trap tonge sopo tonge punan kamhak yelang jong kalangkor yelang jong ke ikhtiar bangin ai ke jing kersan papura ikon samla jong buli trap kibaki baksar kibajukran nakasri sesri jat kimat kujura jong gari ba kejat penduduk koi